Got a new accessory live here at Hamvention in Xenia, Ohio, near Dayton Hamvention. Let me let you see what I got. Hey guys, welcome back to Ham Shack TV. I'm your host Josh AA4WX. We are live here at the Dayton Hamvention in Xenia, Ohio. Wanted to share with you a quick grab I got. You all know I got the 7100 recently in the truck and been looking for a good mountable HF antenna bracket, and I finally found one. So we're out here at Big Red and just set it up. So I'm gonna let y'all take a look at what we've done here. Here it is. It's a tailgate mount. Super easy to put on. Pretty simple. Let me open it up and show you. So a couple of Allen screws here. You just tighten this down, clamp it on, and boom, you're off to the races. Got coax running through the bed. And then this is it. This is that Outbacker that I got from Ook's Attic over in Raleigh, North Carolina. So very pleased with it. Coax runs in through here, and then forgive this mess, y'all, but it ends up in my tuner, and then the radio is down below it. So we tested it out a minute ago. We got flat SWR, and we talked to a station, well, nothing impressive, but right across the parking lot, WB0DUG. So very happy with this. We're going to go ahead and sign for this video, guys. Again, the Ham Shack TV Hamfest Tour, fueled by Ham Radio Prep and World Radio League. Can't say enough about those guys. If you need to get your ham radio license or looking to upgrade, go check out my friends at hamradioprep.com and use my coupon code HamShackTV for an additional 10% off. They're already great prices. We'll see you on the next video. Got more stuff to review. 73's AA4WX, WSCB 693.